How to change my bank account on Prizepicks step-by-step guide. So if you have been trying to change your bank account on Prizepicks and you're not being able to do it, that is because you have to understand a couple of key steps. If I open the help section of Prizepicks on how to change our payment method, you can see this says something, and that is that we can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. So it's very carefully you have to understand this. You just have to log into your account and tap on the deposit button in the top right corner of the app. Once you are on the deposits page, you should see a trash icon. Click on the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash icon isn't there, that means that you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. You may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal does not permit you to remove your account. So these are the things that you need to consider whenever you're trying to change a bank account or payment method. I hope the video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.